would you put my heart back together?
So that's the dance, guys. Now, the first step in doing this is the trending Christian dance challenge. Yeah, this is the trending Christian dance challenge on YouTube, TikTok, wherever trending right now. So in case you're up on this challenge, just watch on this dance tutorial. You have to subscribe down below, like this YouTube channel, and comment. Just comment. Anything you like to comment. Now the first step is, Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. That's the first step, guys. It's one hand, your right hand, your left hand, down, down. First step. Your right hand, your left hand, down, down. After this generator dance tutorial in my previous video, so you can check it out anyone here, but let's jump right into this. First step is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's go. First step. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Lord, I need you now. That's the first step, guys. That's the first step, guys. Now, let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lord, I need you now. Actually, guys, it's an easy tutorial. So let's do it right one more time. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Lord, I need you now. Listen, that's the first step. Now, after that step, the next step to do is, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then your hands come down like this, so it's 1, 2. Listen, guys, so it's 1, 2. That's the next step. So let's step together for you to know the flow. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Lord, I need you now today. Would you put my heart? Listen, guys. Now, up to this extent, take it slow if you are finding it difficult. But let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh Lord, I need you now today. Would you put my heart? Listen, guys. It's 1, 2, chest, heart, in. Out, so it's out, Listen to guys now. So let's go from the beginning once more. Up to the third step. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Lord, I need you now to the day out of the leg. Would you put my heart? Now the next step. 1, 2, join together. That's the step, guys. You join the hearts together. So it's one heart, the other heart together as a formation of love. So it's one heart, second heart together. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Lord, I need you now today. Cause you put my heart together. Listen, guys. Together. Jam together. Now, after doing that one, the next thing to do is for I said your love, turn, see, you reverse it back. Follow me, guys. Follow me. So after you join your hearts together, you search, let's turn around, you seize, you reverse back to the front. So let's do this from the start so you get the concept. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry guys, sorry for that interruption. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh Lord, I need you now to the day. Cause you put my heart together. I say love. See, go back. Hope you are getting me, guys. Let's start one more time for you to get that concept. Please. You turn, seize, you reverse back to your position. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lord, I need you now. Day that I left, put my heart together. I say, sure, hey. So once you have done learning the reverse, turn, reverse, the next thing to do is twist, turn, twist, back. These guys, twist, turn, twist, back. That's what you do, guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lord, I need you now to the day that I left. I put my heart together. I said, sure, your birthday. So once you do the crisscross, the next episode, side, side. Once you are able to do a crisscross, is crease, crease, slide, slide. I think, guys. So let's go one more time from the start. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I need you now today. Let us you put my heart together. Say sure today. So that's it, guys. Now let's do it in slow-mo for us to get the concept. In slow-mo, slow-mo, slow-mo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh Lord, I need you now. Day that I left, put my hand together. I said, you know, criss, cross. And guys, that is the full dance routine, or shall I say full dance tutorial. Remember to subscribe down below, like this video, comment your favorite step. So I want to know that you watch the video up to the end. Comment the name of this sound, name of this song I'm dancing to in the comment section. And remember, don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial, or you come join my live stream. Peace, guys.